this occasion. Now children, Varna Mahotsava, as you all see, is a group of two words, Varna and Mahotsav. What is Varna? So Varna means forest, very good. And Mahotsav means festival, yes. So just in the beginning of the monsoon, we have this festival of planting trees, and this has started in the year 1950 by a Union Minister of Forest, Mr. K.M. Munshi. So since then we have been continuing this tree planting. Now trees, you know, they are so important to us. They are not just silent witnesses, but they are very essential for our survival, isn't it? They give us so many tangible benefits. Tangible means what? Something which you can see. Which are those? Yes, they give us fruits, vegetables, oxygen, very important. Yes, they give us medicines. Fresh air, very nice. What is that? Yes, clothes from trees we can get, cotton trees we can, yes, flowers, yes, so many, yes. You also intelligent children, so many, yes, I know. So these are all that benefits which they provide us. Apart from them, there are also mental and emotional benefits trees provide us. And that you can experience when you have like how your campus all greenery all around. Your mind is calm, serene. You can meditate nicely, isn't it? You have that peace in your mind, to yourself. So trees are important to give us tangible and non-tangible benefits. Now to underscore the importance of tree planting, I would like to tell you a story. Not a story, you can say it was an incident which had happened in a state of Kerala. You all know of Kerala, no? Yes. So there was a small village in Kerala and there was a wise old man who used to stay there. He was known for his love for nature and trees. So every year he used to collect children like you and he used to take them to a vacant place at the adjoining village. There was a vacant place available. So he used to take saplings or small trees and he used to plant over there. So similar activities started or continued for about 5 to 10 years. And he used to tell the children, see children, these plants we are not planting for us, but we are planting for our future generation. That time the children were very small like you all. They didn't know what that man was telling. But later on I'll tell you that an incident happened which totally changed that scenario. One year, once summer, there was a drought. What happens in the drought? No water, everything is dry, it's hot. You cannot grow crops. But in that entire state. But it was this village, the scenario was totally different. There was no shortage of water, there was food available. The climate was not very high, it was soothing. There was enough water available. Why? Yes, because of these plants which were planted. They had grown from small to big, huge trees. And there was birds, animals in that small green heaven which this wise old man had and the children had created. And which this saved it from the disaster. So similar way, wherever we stay, in our villages or locality where we stay, this is an opportunity for us to create a green heaven. We need to go and planting trees. Because what happens? In the name of development, highways, airports, buildings, construction, we have to cut down so many trees. but in return, very few trees are planted back. Also, secondly, you need to have a culture of gifting plants. If you have a birthday or anniversary, instead of giving a gift, which will go in a dustbin sometime, you can give a tree or a small sapling, which will grow up into a huge tree, giving you fruits and flowers and medicines, all whatnot, most of all the oxygen. So have a culture, create a culture among yourself to gift plants on any occasion. Or even on your birthday, make a point you grow a plant, okay, in your garden or wherever. Yeah. You already do it, very nice. Too many seeds. Yeah, so you take care, grow only one at a time and take care of it till it grows. Huh? Don't grow too many things. Okay. So similar way, they say when you plant a tree, you gift your Mother Earth. It's a gift to your Mother Earth. At the same time, it is also a gift for yourself. Why? When you do such activity of tree planting, it will benefit everyone. At the same time, it will benefit you who is on this earth. Now, to end, I would like to share you with some two interesting facts. A research is done and it is found that one mature tree can give enough oxygen, enough for 4 people. One mature tree can give enough oxygen for 4 people. So till now, I think we have enough trees here and there in spite of the cutting of trees. Because we are comfortable breathing, isn't it? Enough oxygen is there. But if we don't start planting more trees, in future, our population doesn't remain constant. It goes every day. There are so many birds, so many people are being born. To accommodate for the new generation who is going to come, we have to go on planting trees so that we don't fall short of oxygen, fresh air for us. Okay? Second, another interesting fact is, every acre of forest takes in 6 tons of carbon dioxide. Every acre of forest can take in 6 tons of carbon dioxide. 6 tons means what? 6,000 kg of carbon dioxide. From where do we get this carbon dioxide? From the factories, from the pollution, from the vehicles. They leave the exhaust from that all pollutants, no? Yes, that harmful chemicals. Carbon dioxide is a major component of that, and that poisonous gas the trees absorb. And secondly, in return, it gives 4 tons of oxygen. So every acre of forest takes in 6 tons of carbon dioxide and gives 4 tons of oxygen. So accordingly, that's why we have to, this is the importance of how greenery will help us. So with this, I would like to end my small talk with you all, urging you all to be green warriors. They say, when you kill a tree, you kill a life. But when you plant a tree, you give a life. So let us all be growth creators and be a blessing to this Mother Earth. Thank you.
not the correct answer. Yes. Yeah, you're sure. No, I need the specific date or the duration. Yes.
The first week of July.
Yes, your answer is right. Please give
Not exactly. Because the Pope is populated. Not exactly.
To spread the awareness of plants and importance of plants.
Yes, that's the correct answer.
Exchange of India?
Bhupendra Yadav.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Please give him a round of applause.
The next question is, name the national tree of India.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Our next question is, in which year did we celebrate the first Mahotsav Day?